the previous video, we discussed about from question 21 to 30. Here we'll discuss from 31 to 40. So Aadhaar always in news. So consider about the following statement. Aadhaar metadata cannot be stored for more than 3 months. It is 6 months. It is not 3 months. So one is incorrect. State cannot enter into contract with any private corporation of sharing for Aadhaar data. That is true. The judgment of the Supreme Court said, it said that you cannot enter contract. आप share नहीं कर सकते with telecom company or other companies. So 2 is correct. Okay. 1 is incorrect and 2 is correct. So automatically that B is the option here. 1 is incorrect and 2 is correct. Aadhaar is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. Most of the insurance companies, they ask for Aadhaar data, but it is not mandatory. Okay. Aadhaar is mandatory for getting benefits out of Consolidated Fund of India. Yes. As per Section 7 of Aadhaar Act, if you want to get welfare benefits, you need to have Aadhaar. Okay. So B is the right answer. 2 and 4. Now Rajya Sabha has equal power with Lok Sabha. Now Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha both have the power to make laws, but Lok Sabha mostly has higher power, except in few areas. One area is the amendment of the constitution. Amendment of the constitution. Why? Because it has to be passed in both the houses. We can't have a joint session for amending the parliament. So B is the right answer. A very factual, simple question. MP lad, with reference to, again it was in current affair news, remember MP lad, with reference to fund under member of parliament, which of the following statements are correct? MP lad must be used to create durable assets like physical infrastructure for health, education, etc. That is right. A specified portion of each MP must benefit the SC/ST population. Now this is also true. A part of it has to be done for that. MP lad fund sanction on yearly basis and unused fund cannot be carried forward. No, it is a non-relapsable fund. So ये सही नहीं है. So 3 is out of the question here. So 3, all the options with 3 can be removed. Okay, so either 1, 2. So if the 3 is removed, so either we have A or we have D. So again, let's see the last option, 4th option. The district authority must inspect at least 10% of the works under implementation every year. So this is also true. So you have D as a right option. Okay. Remember, it was in news because recently MP lad fund was has been in the COVID-19 period. The MP lad has been suspended. Okay, for this year and the next financial year. Which of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporate protection against untouchability as a form of discrimination? Now, untouchability as a form of discrimination, most you feel like right against exploitation. That's the first feeling aata hai. But the first feeling comes in, you look like, okay, A is the right answer. But right, practice of untouchability, the rights against discrimination is basically as prohibition of untouchability is in the Article 17. And Article 17 is a part of Article 14 to 18. And these articles are part of right to equality. Okay. So here a D answer, little tricky. A factual but little common sense is required here. In India, separation of judiciary from executive is enjoined by Article 50. And Article 50 is a part of DPSP. Okay. Article 36 to 51 is a part of DPSP. Okay, clear-cut B answer. Along with the budget, Finance Minister also places other documents before the Parliament which include the macroeconomic framework statement. The aforesaid document is presented because it is mandated by. Now, it is mandated by FRBM Act. FRBM Act was passed in 2003 and later on the amendment was made in 2008. And in this amendment, which was made in 2008-9, it was believed that we need to put more new document and macroeconomic framework statement was also added. So D is the right answer, provision of fiscal responsibility, budget management. Again, it was in news all the time, remember. So this is a clear-cut, a basic factual question. A constitutional government is by definition so the idea of constitutionalism comes in here, remember. And constitutionalism ka matlab hai a government which has limited power, or you limit the power of the government. Okay, and that is called limited government. And how do you limit? By giving rights to the people. Okay, so that is the limited government. Other than fundamental rights, which of the following Constitution of India reflects the principle and provisions of Universal Declaration of Human Rights? 38 question. So, in which of the articles of the Constitution or a part of the Constitution we have Universal Declaration of Human Rights? The first is preamble. In preamble, we talk about social justice, equality, rights, social rights, justice, social justice, economic justice, financial justice, okay, political justice. So preamble, it is mentioned indirectly. DPSP always talks about human right because we have a lot of provisions in DPSP which talks about human right. Education could be one of the example. Fundamental duty is also mentioned. Education is also mentioned as human right, so it is also mentioned in the fundamental duty. So all 1, 2, 3 are the right answer. Okay, so that is 38 question. Coming to 39. In India, legal services authorities provide free legal services to which of the following type of citizens? A person with annual income of less than 1 lakh. It's a factual question. Either we know or we don't know. Even I did not know. Okay. So one statement is correct. For people who are senior citizen, it is less than 2 lakh, and for people who are transgender, less than 2 lakh. So both the statements are correct. All senior citizens, no. Okay, so National NALSA has been created in 1987 to provide free legal services to weaker section of society and to organize Lok Adalat. So maximum income ceiling for providing legal aid is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, that is for low income people. For senior citizen 2 lakh, or for transgender 2 lakh. So option A is the right answer, both 1 and 2. Okay, either you, if you don't know, it is difficult to attempt such questions. The last question, the international agreement and setup subsect. Okay, so what are the setup subject are there? So we have, again, I had read only one, that is Pelnoa Dialogue Global Climate Change. Okay, so this is right. Under coalition child rights, so solution is given. So this is also under climate. ये भी climate change से जुड़ा हुआ है. So 3 is correct and 4 is incorrect. So 4 is incorrect and 3 is correct. So C is the right answer. Alma Ata Declaration is related with the primary healthcare. Okay, so that is right. Hague Convention is related not with the biological or chemical weapon, but it is related with the illegal, irregular, or ill-prepared adoptions. So adoptions ke against hai, illegal adoptions. So that is the. So again, difficult question I would say, because it is not easy to go in the nitty-gritties of every small laws or provisions. Okay, so again, answer here is factual C. So thank you very much, and in the next series I'll discuss from 41 to 50. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.